Hello, Bacha Party. Once again, your Dipti Nani has come with a new story. And today I am going to tell you a story of Magic Cave. Once upon a time, outside the village, there was one magic cave. It was also known as Golden Cave because inside that cave there were lot of gold ornaments and silver ornaments and many golden items. But the speciality of this cave was that it could talk like a human being. Whoever used to go near the cave would be asked questions. The cave used to ask, "Do you want to go inside the cave?" And if the person would say yes, then the cave would say, "You have to give answers to 3 questions. Even if single answer is wrong, you will be locked in the cave." Many people tried, but nobody was successful. But there was one very intelligent boy. His name was Radhe. And Radhe was not only intelligent, but he used to read many books. Whenever he was free, he used to take some book and start reading. He never used to waste his time. Sometimes he would read comic, sometimes he would read general knowledge book, sometimes he would read books on science. So Radhe thought of going to this cave and give a try. As soon as he went, he was asked questions. The first question he was asked was, "What is the thing that keeps on increasing and increasing and increasing?" Radhe thought for a second and he immediately replied, "It is the wishes of mankind which keep on increasing day by day. It keeps on increasing. If one wish is fulfilled, human beings will think of another wish." So the cave said, "You are right." Then the second question he was asked was, "What comes when we leave this world? That means, what comes with us when we die?" Radhe just thought for a second and he immediately replied, "It is our deeds, it is our karma. So if we do good deeds will come with us. If we do bad deeds will come with us." And the cave said, "You are right." And now reply the third question. And he was asked, "What is the thing that you cannot see? You cannot see, you cannot visualize, but you can feel, you can experience?" And Radhe thought and he replied, "It is love. Love is the only emotion. Love is the emotion which cannot be seen, but it can be felt, it can be experienced." Listening to all these 3 correct answers, the cave opened and made way for Radhe. As soon as Radhe entered the cave, he saw there were a lot of golden ornaments and gold things and silver things, and suddenly one beautiful princess rose from inside and she said, "Oh my friend, now you will be my life partner because you have relieved me from the curse of a saint." And Radhe was surprised. He asked what is all about. And she said that once when she was out with her friends, one sage was doing meditation in this cave. And because she was very proud and egoistic, she made fun of this sage. and as a result, Sage had cursed her and converted her in this cave, and not only converted but locked her in this cave. And hearing this, Radhe was happy. Now this princess and Radhe took all the ornaments, gold and silver things with them, and they got married, and thereafter they lived very happily. So what do we learn from the story? We learn from the story is that in spite we have beauty, brains or power, we should never make fun of anybody, and we should not look down upon anybody. We should not consider ourselves superior and consider others inferior to us. Secondly, there is no substitute for knowledge. Nothing can come equal to knowledge. Nothing can be equal to knowledge. Because Radhe was reading books all the time, he had lot of knowledge. His general knowledge was very good. His GK was very good. And because of that, he could reply all the questions correctly, and as a result, he got wealth and a nice princess as a partner, as a life partner. So, always remember, Radhe was successful because he was reading books. He was not wasting time on mobiles or television. Of course, he was enjoying himself. So, you also keep in mind not to spare much time on TV and mobiles, and whenever you get time, just pick up any book and try to read. You will enjoy reading. It will add to your vocabulary, and you will have a very good knowledge. If you like my story, like, share and subscribe if you have not. And friends, do remember, you have to like on YouTube and not on my WhatsApp number. And do read books, make less use of mobiles and televisions. I don't say that you totally stop, but please try to reduce your use of mobiles and televisions. And till I come with a new story, I'm sure you will be picking up some books and spending your time for reading. Bye. Love you.